Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I will teach you how to insert data, update and delete data in a MySQL database from Node. First, let's insert the data in MySQL. So first thing first, let's make a form. Action to home and the method of post. Let's create an input of type text and we name it name because we want a product name and the price. And let's make a button, add to DB. I need to import skeleton so my code will look a little bit better. The UI will look a little bit better, not code. Let's see. Yeah, product name and price. Let's make the GET request into home. We need to save the name, which we'll get from the body, that name, and the price, request.body.price. Now we make the query and we will use reverse question mark, this one, so be careful. Insert into products, values, now we use simple question mark with p.name and p.price. In the next video I will teach you how not to do this, because someone can inject MySQL in your database and get everything they want from it. So stay tuned. Now we make the query with Q. We have rows and fields. Let's throw the error. Throw error. And if it worked, let's say inserted. And redirect to home. Now let's try it. Go to our page. Let's type a product name like dog, the price of 99, and add to DB. Dog with the price of 99. If we refresh, we see that the dog don't disappear. And if we go to database, we can select from the database and let's see, we have the dog here with the price of 99. Okay, now we want to update data from the database. Let's see, update data from the DB. We make a button to, let's call it home let's call it update. I want to update just the chocolate. Update chocolate. And class, let's make it a button primary. Let's see, update chocolate. If we go here, now we don't have the page yet, so let's create it. App.get update the request and response. We make the query, update product, set product name to white chocolate, the price to, let's say, 9. What's the price now? The price now is 5. Let's put it 9. Where product name is equal to chocolate. As you can see, we have to use different question marks here. Let's make the call. Yeah, you can write it like that. And let's say chocolate was updated. Updated to white chocolate. And redirect to home to see the changes. So now, as you see, we have chocolate with the price of 5, update chocolate, and now we have white chocolate with the price of 9. If you go to the database and execute the query, we have white chocolate with the price of 9 here in the database. Now the last thing, we delete data from the database. What to delete? Let's delete the T. We don't like T. App.get delete with the request and response. Let's make the button first. With the button class button, and let's leave it like that. Delete T. Go to delete when we press it. Let's make it primary. Let's check. Delete T, yeah. Don't work now. And let's see, we make the query, delete from product where product name is T. Create the request. And the T was deleted. And let's redirect back to home. Let's see. We have white chocolate, the T with the price of 1. Delete the T. Yeah, and the T was deleted. If we press again, we don't delete anything because, as you can see, I set the name to be T. We only have one name with the name of T. And let's check here in the database. We don't have t anymore, and the ID was deleted, so we start with 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that was the delete, update, and insert. And in the next video, let's see how we can prevent a MySQL injection in here.